I cannot. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hey, y'all. Hey, Chelsea. Oh, boy, it's been a busy morning. I've been trying to help y'all cousins. That's why I'm 5 minutes late, 4 minutes late, trying to help the cousins. So, family, we got to come up with another method. Because if I'm trying to go live at 10:30 or 10:28 and y'all calling me at 10:28, 10:29, what am I supposed to do? Hey, good morning. Good morning. Seems like we gotta come up with, I gotta put a system in place. I don't know what system. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, I could do that. Go live at 11:30. Okay. Okay. Oh, that was you with the register? No, you ain't the only one. Trust me. Good morning. No, never. Just know if you think you're the only one, there's probably 5 or 6 more people. Good morning, everybody. Y'all ready to get into these things? Hey, Yvonne, I see you on fire, girl. Good morning, Fletcher. The market beat you up today. That Martin post was funny. You got beat today. A lot of people got beat today. I'm still not in a play because I didn't see a play, so I'm interested to know how everybody saw a play. But it's okay. Let's go ahead and get into it. It is 5 minutes after the time. I apologize for being. Y'all know I don't like to be late. I'm not late, but again, your cousins were in distress. I had about 4 people hit me up right when I was getting ready to go live. So let me get right on into it. I'm so glad. Aren't we glad to be back though? Aren't we glad to be? Yes, too chop it for me now. But I want to hear. We had 39 people. 39 people snatched their 5% today, and I'm amazed at it. Okay, do you hear me? I don't know how the drippers did it, but I'm proud of y'all that did it, and I need to know how. The fact that you didn't see a play. Yeah, I didn't see one. I still don't see one. I told you I'm waiting on the ORB, baby. ORB. First 5 minutes, it already told me everything I need to know. And I'm just still looking and waiting. I'm counting my candles. You know, let's see, you got your 7 candles. How many has it been? 2, 4. Okay, 5 candles right now. Waiting for that one to close out. So we have 2 more candles. And if it doesn't pop then, I'm not taking a trade today. Not at all. Don't feel dumb, Chelsea. Y'all are growing through this thing. You can't listen. Y'all still new. Y'all, this is so new. And as you can see in the chart, listen, the market is the same. It's going to do the same thing day after year, month after month. Hey, Ebony. So let me go ahead, y'all. This has been a wonderful one. Hey, Caroline. We had a wonderful weekend. I can't say I got a lot of rest, but I feel still inspired. Can we discuss the orders being placed and not submitted? We can discuss it, but I don't know what to tell you about it. Other than cancel, it happens. Well, I'll tell you real quick. It happens. Even on a big level. Let me tell you what's going on, SB. We're in the stock market, okay? There are people that are leveraging big money all day long in the same play you in. And when it's time to get out, those plays are going to fail before yours. That's just what it is. It's a reason why I teach a 5% method. Number one, five is the number of grace, but 5 also will get you in and out, usually 70% of the time with no problems. That's the good with the bad. I've taught you a way that you can turn your 100 jelly beans into 400K, and it's not an easy task. It's not going to be perfect. I've never said it was perfect. I've been saying it from day one. So it's nothing to discuss. That's just that what it is. Some days I just have to keep canceling it and going back in. I hit cancel, resell it. Cancel, resell it. That ain't because it's you. Try to happen to everybody. Now you can go on another platform. Certain platforms are easier to get in and out. And I would challenge you to go ahead and study those platforms. And once you get that platform down pat, go to those platforms. You're still not gonna be a perfect trade because the market ain't perfect. So, and sometimes they get stuck too. Just have to do it. Just get par for the course. Because when you're getting out on those days, remember that feeling. It feels real good when the plays sell easy. When the plays sell easy, you got to take that good with the bad or not. But that's what happens. It happens to me, happens to everybody. Happens to Coach Trent. It doesn't happen to me often, but it does happen. Probably every 2 weeks. Yeah, so you'll be okay. Or I tell you, go. You got Webull, you have Moo, you have Interactive Brokers, you have Thinkorswim. It's a lot of them. They got the videos on YT. Learn them. Learn them, y'all. I've given you. You got the strategy. You got the strategy. Find a platform that'll work for you. I told you I teach on this platform because it's easy. So let's take a moment to say how grateful you can be for knowing a strategy that you understand. Because you can learn. You could be on a platform and getting in and out, but don't know what you're doing for 3 years. So yeah, it's not that. It's just a choppy day, and so the moves are quick. So when you think you're up, you're only up 2 candles. And by the time third candle form, it has changed on you, and everybody and their mama trying to get out. You get it? No, no. Chelsea, when you see the 2 candles above the EMA, you don't wait for the third one to close. Okay, so let me go ahead. We got questions. Let me read off the 5% drippers, guys, and I'll go back and look at your questions. Okay, is that cool? And if anyone wants to come on to actually express how they feel or tell us about their play, you're welcome to do it. All right, just request to come on with us. I know you're grateful. Thank you, Lisa. Sometimes it feels a little tight. I think, and I say that because I've given y'all so much that y'all don't realize how hard this is to learn. So the little stuff is like, oh God, that's what y'all got a problem with? Okay. I wish that was my problem. I didn't have a strategy for 2 years. Y'all got a strategy I taught y'all the strategy in like 2 days. One day y'all learned it all on. When I went and taught live, it was 1 day, 1 hour and 20 minutes. Taught y'all everything. So that's all you needed. The rest is now, it's like, you got to put into practice. You got to put some skin in the game. How you got to not put skin in the game, but you want the game to give you 500,000 jelly beans? I'm over it. I can't. You got the strategy. Gratitude. Don't worry about it. Don't have to be grateful. You can complain and be upset. That's natural. That's your human emotion. I told y'all the market is going to expose you. The market is going to teach you everything about you. It ain't about Robin Hood. It's not about the market. It ain't about the play. It's you. It's you being impatient. It's you being ungrateful. It's you rushing the process. Anybody right now, drop down in the chat and let me know how you plan. Before you knew this strategy, how are you going to make 500,000 jelly beans? I want to know in 1 year because I need to do it. This is a strategy that can take you to the top. So yeah, it's going to have, it got kinks and quirks. I said it from the beginning, but I said it's 70-30, 70-30. Well, you know, that's why people will be filtered out, baby. Y'all got the perfect strategy in your lap. So guess what? Take the good with the bad. That's what you've been working on these jobs. You've been with that same bank account, letting them give you 0.02%. You ain't question them. That's funny to me. They want to give you 1% a year. Don't get me to preaching today, y'all. They could go ahead and rush it. You'll be right back and you'll quit. That's why stats show over 90% of day traders quit within the first 30 to 90 days. That's why. And I'm trying to help y'all not be quitters. I didn't say it's going to be easy just because I said you don't quit. You're going to have days you feel like that. But the information is golden. Find a platform that works for you. And then why don't you just perfect the platform? Perfect the strategy. Do 20 days straight. Get you a 70-30 return. Then go a whole year. That's all I'm asking. All right. So now we good. I hope we good, y'all. I pray we good. I feel good. Like I said, the market's going to do what it do. And we're going to just keep rolling. We're going to keep rolling. I'll answer any questions. I have a few questions. I know a bunch of losses today. You did your first. Karen, I saw that. I'm going to shout you out. Thank you so much. Let me go ahead and give some love to the drippers. All right? That's not fair, y'all. Let us shine. Let the drippers shine. Everybody ain't wrong. We got 90-something people on average getting in and out their plays. Come on now, y'all. All right, so the 5% drippers today, I want to shout out Tiff, Passion, Justin. I don't know how y'all did y'all big one, but y'all did this. Rhonda, Billy, Linda, Nicole with the K, Kim. What up, Kim? Lord. Zazia. For some reason, I say this name every day, but today I just can't say it. Joyce, Edward, Raven, Chase, Alexia, Naeem, Kareem, Nikithia, Jacqueline, Shamika, Sandrika, Vanessa, Double R, Sharon, Rolls Royce, Yvonne came through. Consistency is key. Danielle, Brittany, H, Karen, and Fletcher, Bernadine, Drea, Janelle, Shelly, Shell, Yvette, Jessica Walker, Takita, Sandy, Karen Ficklin. Karen, this is her first paper trade. I'm so proud of you. You did good. She's taking our class. When's your class? Is it next week, Karen? But you're already doing so good. I'm very proud of you. So shout out and grab 10% too. All right, James and Marla. So we ended up with 40 people, which is dynamic. I don't know how. Hold up. Is this my play? Oh, no. Yeah, I don't know how. So I am waiting September. Oh, you in September? Oh, yeah, because we booked out. We had 2 people have to be rescheduled, but it was 1 and 1. I know it was you and your husband, so yeah. Okay. So now, if you look at the mark, let's go ahead before we get into the play. Oh, who is that? Naeem. I called you Naeem. You're number 16. Oh, Teeny, you can send it. Are you in our other place, our GM? Just send it to my phone, Teeny. You were up to date too? Oh, just go on the website, Lisa. You can book it on the website. What about me? Janelle, I didn't see you. Did you send me your results? Everybody, just DM me, guys. If you haven't already joined, I'll show you how to do it. Oh, Liz, I didn't see your info at all. Where'd you post yours, Liz? Okay, so let's add Liz and Teeny. Sean, you sent yours too? Come on now. I knew it had to be a little bit more than y'all. It's normally like 80 to 90 or 100. All right, just send it to me and I'll make sure I add it. Oh, you just posted. Yeah, if it's after 10:20, I won't see it. Aretha too? Lord Jesus. Y'all must posted this after 10:20. Thank you all for what that is right there so we can get into the algorithm. I know we can get up to 100K. You got a W-2, Peace on Earth. What's your real name, baby? Okay. May I ask what's going on? Oh, that's so sweet. We trade options, baby. Okay, so, yeah, it is. Let me see. Hold on, guys. Let me see if it's breaking my orb. Anybody still waiting on the position? Anybody still waiting to get in? It didn't break 50%, though. But it did give it engulfing right here at 10:45. Oh, yeah, it's going down. Let me go get my iPad. Y'all give me a minute. Sorry. I gotta get my iPad. Oh, look at that sucker. Y'all see it? So it didn't fully. So here's again. This is a pullback. Blah, blah, blah. You gotta wait. We have to wait and let it break the orb. So it hasn't closed out yet. The closeout is coming in. Oh, we got a minute before it closes out. So we'll know in about 8 minutes. But I need to see it breaking through. Okay. So anyway, let's just wait. I'm waiting. Okay, first paper trade today. I don't know how to put this phone on Do Not Disturb. Somebody help me out. I didn't get it yet. I said, let me go get my iPad. No, 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 no. I need to see it break clearly 50% below that orb, and I don't see it breaking below the orb fully yet. It has wicked below the orb. Remember that. All right, y'all? Don't jump too fast. Got your Teeny. Congratulations, Teeny. So we added Teeny, Liz, and Sean, and Aretha to our drippers. So we're at 44. And this is tough. So listen, I wanna talk with you. Yeah, I'm with you. Yeah, that's right. You see what it's doing? That's why you can't be impatient. Look at that. It engulfed, right? And gave a second momentum candle. And then right at the top, opened up red. So by all accounts, that looks like a great play to get in. And after that one candle, it turned. But what my confluence is, I'm waiting for that orb to break. Oh, Callie Z, I didn't see yours. You must have posted late too. Late is after 10:20. Oh, you did your first paper trade? Great. Oh, thank you, Kat. This is for entertainment purposes only. It is not financial advice. This is simply what I do and the steps that I've taken in the market to be a successful day trader. My husband and I, Trent and I. No, it's not. No, Teeny. We'll talk about it. Okay. All right, let's keep moving. So no play. No play, guys. No play for me. Imani. All right. No play for me right now. So how many candles is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If the next candle does not break the orb, there is no play for me today. Now, anybody want to come in and talk about how they got in and let me know? But right now, I do want to speak with our cousins that had losses today, and it was quite a few. I mean, it was probably over 20. So I want to talk about that. Number one, before we get into it, I just want to shout out my girls that showed up on yesterday. I'm still waiting. My girls that showed up yesterday, it was a beautiful time teaching in-person session here in Atlanta. And I just want to thank, we had Star 2, my purple lady, Star 2, Jazz, Sierra, Angela, Tammy. I'm just so glad. There she go. What's up, purple girl? I'm so grateful to you all. We had a beautiful fellowship. They learned a lot. It was just so pleasant. It was very pleasant. And I prayed that it was worth it for you all. I know you guys said it was, but it was a blessing for both Trent and I. So thank you for coming out. And I just look forward to your growth and learning that extra sauce y'all got. They got some extra sauce now. They got extra sauce. So I just thank you. It was awesome. Yes, Jazz, you did really good. Had good questions. Hey, Star, purple lady. So cousins, give them a little love. They pushed forth. Made a little effort. They want to learn a little bit more, dig deeper. Yeah, Tiffany. We do them every Sunday in Atlanta until we stop because we're booked through mid-September now. And then during the winter. Oh, you got blocked, Dr. Nedra? Dr. Nedra, you got blocked? Oh, Lord. And then during the winter. Oh, you got blocked, Dr. Nedra? Dr. Nedra, you got blocked? Oh, Lord. Dr. Nedra said she got blocked by one of the moderators. You better put a picture up there, Dr. Nedra. Oh, they blocking people without pictures. That's cute enough. We'll get it right. Okay. All right. So listen, now that we got that out of the way, Sunday sessions were amazing. If you guys sometimes scan through, I'm not blocking people. I'm telling y'all, I'm teaching. But we got so many scammers that the moderators on it. They don't play. They like the red dogs, old school in Atlanta. So scan through on the GM, on our cousins community over there in the cousins community. Kind of scan through because a lot of times the cousins answer questions that you guys may ask. I'm doing good. Thank you for asking about me. I appreciate that. So scan through that and let's get into these losses. Lavetta, you want to come to the front? You had some questions. Lavetta, DJ, if you're here on the chat, can you guys join request to come on so you could talk about it? Um, Shamel, if you're here, anybody that would like, good morning, Sonora. Oh Lord, Lavetta, now you know I don't know. Now y'all know I can't tell you how they request to join. I don't know. Hey, birth. I forgot what you told me your real name was. Forgive me, but I know you. Hey, darling. Oh, hey, Ashanti. Girl, I'm good today. No, I am good today. We're waiting for this fire to break through, if it's going to break. But I want to hear from some of y'all, child. How did y'all get that money on today? Because I didn't see it. So if we got Tiff or Passion or Justin or Rhonda or Billy or Linda, Nicole, Kim. Why I can't read this girl name? Science. That's crazy. Joyce, anybody can come and let me know what you saw? I don't know how to come on mute. You muted. Y'all on mute? Okay. I don't know. I just know when someone appears, it'll show up in my little guest thing. All right. Thank y'all. Oh, Dr. Nedra, you're going to have to wait till I get off live now. Right? Okay, Jazz, you coming as a guest? Oh, Jazz said hit guest. At the bottom of your screen, you should hit guest. What version of Thinkorswim? I have the desktop version. Tomorrow's CPI, Carrot Top puts 50 tariffs in place. And that's the flux of the market. Listen, but let me tell you about that. That's great, Naeem. But let me tell you something. If you pay attention to the orb, it works. You just have to have patience. Right now, those plays were good, but they were just choppy for me. I know I like A+ setups. Okay, let me see who wants to come in live. There go Jazz. Hey, Jazz. Are you here, Jazz?
Yeah, I'm here. I just wanted to tell everybody how to request to come up.
Thank you.
Um, right by the where it said where you're typing at, it has two people right there. It says guest. All you have to do is hit guest and request and wait for Miss Arletta to let you up. And that's all you got to do. And when you need to turn your camera, it's gonna ask you want to turn your camera on, turn your camera off, and you're already gonna be unmuted. So all you got to do is hit the two people that say guest request and just wait until she accept you to come up, and that's it.
Okay, I learned something too. I didn't know that. Thank you, girl. Appreciate you.
You will. Oh, and to exit, all you have to do is go back to your picture and exit out. That's it.
Okay, so we got it. Rosalie said thank you. Okay. So Lavetta said she did it. So let's see if it worked. We appreciate you, cuz.
All right, you could drop. I'm driving, so you could drop me.
All right. Okay, so hopefully that worked. Oop, somebody was waiting. Now they gone. Okay, let's see if you can do it, Lavetta. Or who else wants to come in? So right now, we're still watching the orb. I'll let y'all know if I decide to get in. I'm sitting here ready too. But if not, I'm not anxious for nothing. Okay, let's get it. Now we see. Oh, and I'll answer your question. Someone had a question about my pre-market high and pre-market low. The pre-market high was 638.54. Pre-market low was 637.79. Yesterday's high was 637.73. And yesterday's low was 633.72. So that's another reason. It's real to me. That's very choppy. The high right now went up to 637.96. So, but it didn't go up to 638, which was what I needed. In the low, it went as low as 636. So it's right in between. It's not really breaking. That's another reason. You need 1,000 followers to go live. Sometimes they let you go live before that. Mine was able to do it before that. Okay. Any other questions? Let me go back. It was a lot. Let me just go back. It's gonna be all right, y'all. This is okay. This is par for the course. This is the life of a trader. This is why I'm taking y'all slow, right? This is why you want to wait. That's why you don't want to leverage more than $100. You're welcome. Let me go back and read these questions. All right. Huh. All right, all right, all right. I thought I saw one. I may have answered it already. You made 5 jelly beans and it was scary. Yep. What version of Think or Swim? Okay, so they're listen, on your iPad, there's not a desktop version. It's only the web version, and your charts will not look like ours. So I would suggest you use TradingView if you have to be on your iPad. So no matter what news is out, guys, trade the orb. It's trying to break through now a little bit. You got me pre-market high, pre-market low. Great, great, great. Okay, I think I've answered all the questions. Wait a minute, no, I think I missed. Somebody had a question. Ticker symbol is SPY. Oh, that's why you got confused today? All right. Give me a moment, guys. I'm trying to read through the questions, okay? Oh, today is August 11th, 2025. It is a Monday morning, 11:01 a.m., and I am Arletta, the Friendly Trader. This is the one and only account. I am not requesting a telegram from you. I'm not requesting any MONEY from you. This is a platform where we come on and teach you here on TikTok how to day trade at no cost. I would not ask you how's trading going. I would never DM you first. I'm too busy. I don't know who half the people are. I'm going through 100 to 200 messages a day. So I do not have time to figure out who somebody is and send them a DM. And I'm definitely not sending any friend requests. Yes. Thank you for the reminder. Okay, so here we go. Says at 9:04. Oh, got in at 9:04 now. Okay. What do I need to get started? Great. You need to just show up here Monday through Friday, 7:30 in the evening. First, I teach from scratch. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. The strategy, teach you about what day trading is, the terms, what our strategy is, teach you what the confluences are, teach you what stock we trade and why, teach you how to understand contracts and how to paper trade. And then after those 5 days, you go ahead and you begin to paper trade. If you would like to join, we have two communities. We have one, the cousin community, where we privately talk over there. Every morning, we post our plays. It's more of a support group, but you do have to pass a test to go over there now. Everybody else, y'all been grandfathered in. Thank you, Jesus. But going forward, well, as of last week, no, as of today, I think it should be up on the website. I'll make sure. But if not, there's a test that you have to pass to get over to that community. And then there's another test to get to the 5% trippers, which is where we meet every morning at 10:30, and these people have committed to 12 months of being able to get to the real big jelly beans, and we are coaching all the way there. Yep. Okay, great. Hopefully that answered your question. Hopefully that answered your question. You've been helping your mom? That's so cool, Drea. Hell, we got a new cousin. He in his 70s. He just coming on board, and he just lost his wife. I'm so grateful for him. He's going to take the class, and he's in his 70s. Yeah, come on, Chase. You can speak on your play. Oh, I got some people. Hold on 1 second. Okay, got it. Okay, let me let some people in, guys, and they're going to let you in order. Hi. Hey, Sharon. No, baby. Crystal, the orb didn't break out yet, baby. Okay. Hi, Sharon.
Good morning. Can everyone hear? Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Can you guys hear her?
Well, I wanted to say,
They can hear
you
you.
were asking how did
How you got in and
we
got
got
out?
in.
Yeah.
Well, at night I was looking at the 5 minute orb.
Okay, so let me turn my camera around so we can follow, okay?
and I saw that the EMA and VWAP crossed at night, literally like at right when the bell went off.
Oh, hold on. You was on a 5 minute orb. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I was. And
Okay.
so I saw that and I'm like, oh, it's going down. And had been watching through pre-market for the past, 30 minutes, and I saw that it was kind of continuing to go down. So I said, okay, well, I saw that it crossed. It's time to respond, time to take action. Looking at it, and I'm like, oh, it's going down. So I just kind of hopped in on that momentum.
And got it.
They got it.
Let me look at that 5 minute. I'm trying to get over here to the five, girl, because um I think that had to be what it was now.
Because you see it
Oh yeah,
crossed. You see it?
now look. Now she got in on momentum because this the 5 minute orb. There's no clear
Uh-huh.
break above.
No, there isn't. No,
It
there's
really isn't. It started
no.
right here at whatever this it broke 50% above right here at see what time it was. What time is that? 10:20. It gave that's when it but it was we were on the 15 minute chart by then. So
Yes, ma'am.
so you rolled y'all see that momentum candle? That's what she wrote right there.
As soon as it crossed, and I
Yep.
looked at the
I see it.
pre-market, and I
It crossed
saw
in the
that
pre-market.
it
That was a smart move. That was
okay.
an actual smart move. I'm telling you, that was a smart move, Sharon. That was a smart move.
Okay. So that's what I did.
Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, so what she did, basically, she had her chart set on 5 minutes. So she was watching the 5 minute chart even in the pre-market. So even right here in the pre-market, it engulfed and ran down. But
Hmm.
it was so early in the morning, you're not really looking at that. But right here, it clearly engulfed on the 5 minute chart, gave another that's your move. So as soon as the market opened red and it crossed over, girl, when I say that's home run and clever. I even missed that one because number one, I don't have my charts on 5 minutes, but I will say kudos. That was a perfect play, actually.
Thank you. Thank
That
you.
was great. So what she did again, I don't know how Nicole. I don't know who blocked Dr. Nedra, and I have to wait till the live is over to unblock people. So I can't unblock her right now. You have to wait till your live is over. If someone is blocked during the live, I'm learning. Once the live is over, you have to unblock them from there. And then what's her name? What's her name on TikTok? I don't know her name.
Dr. Nedra.
Oh, it's Dr. Nedra. Okay, great. Yeah, I don't know how she got who blocked her, but it's okay. It's okay. They're just looking out for me. All right. So let's go. Let's go. So again, this is perfect. I gotta go over this. Here's the engulfing on the 5 minute chart. And that time was right at 9:20. So I normally come to the chart at 9:25. But because I was helping people with their trades and stuff, so here you go. So Kings and Gilligan said they saw it, but they were too nervous. Oh, and then it crossed over right here at opening bell. So it engulfed, gave you a second consecutive candle, which was what you needed. The third candle was red, and it crossed over. That is a textbook perfect play. Period. Point blank.
Woohoo! I'm
Period.
learning this.
Period. That's excellent. I'm telling y'all, that was a good play. That was very clever, actually. Girl, you good. Now we just, we got the other thing we work on, but you can see, you see what you see. You can see.
Well, I cleared that up because I explained that to Doctor
Coach.
Coach Trent that I wasn't in the negative. Is that I was up $130 plus, and then I had lost that, but I'm good now.
Uh-huh. Yes. Yes, confluences count, period. You just don't
Yes,
want
ma'am.
to. Someone asked, does confluences work in the pre-market? They do, but you listen here, but don't listen what I'm telling you. Don't y'all start getting too extra in the pre-market. She did it. That was on a 5 minute chart, and then
Yes.
when she saw the trend. So if you see an engulfing 5, 10 minutes before the market opens, and you see a consecutive candle, generally it is going to follow. and it crossed over. So confluences work, period. You just have to be
Mhm.
careful and don't go too crazy with them, but they definitely work. You see
I
it, you see it with your own two eyes. Look, I can't zoom in no closer. That thing engulfed, gave us a second candle that was consecutive, so two red, and that third candle opened up. She got in at the top, and it crossed over right there. That's perfect. Perfect, girl. Perfect, 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 perfect.
okay.
So yeah,
Thank you.
let Dr. Nandra know. We'll fix it after the live.
Yes, ma'am. Now,
Okay. Great job.
how do I hang up?
I got you. I can hang you up. I can hang you up.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Okay. Okay. San. No, but baby, she was done by then. Remember, this is a 5 minute candle. I want you listen, listen, listen. This is a 5 minute candle. That means over 5 minutes. I don't want that. This is telling you what the market is doing over 5 minutes. She didn't have, you don't even care about this next candle being green because she probably was in the play 1 minute. She used the 5 minute chart to her advantage and got in right here at the top of that green candle. I don't know where in the play, but in this whole 5 minutes, that doesn't mean each candle was red. That means overall for 5 minutes, it was red. So it could have been 3 reds and 2 greens. She got in and got her money. Yes. So you don't even worry about that one. This is on the 5 minute. You're concerned about this on the 1 minute, but not the 5. Okay, go ahead. Sorry, San. How you
Hi,
doing?
I'm good. Good morning, everybody. So
Good
my
morning.
play was at 9. I think I got in at 9:53 to 9:54.
Were you on the
It
1 minute,
was
5 minute, or 15?
I was on I was looking at the 5 minute and I saw the close, and then I saw the engulfing on the 5 minute. Then I went to the 1 minute and I'd used confluences, the
Okay.
50% and the two candles below the EMA
On the 5 minute chart.
on the 1 minute chart.
Okay, got it. So let me go over to the 1 minute and
Uh-huh.
hold on. Let me get to my 1 minute. And you got in at 9:54.
Yeah. Well, I think it was like half of 9:53 to 9:54. And then I got out at that one long candle.
And you played a call put, right?
Yeah, a put, correct.
Okay, okay, okay. Perfect. So what she did on the 1 minute, she saw the not the EMA, she saw the VWAP crossover, 2 candles, and you got in on that top of that third candle.
Correct. And then also it had closed below the pre-market high.
Let me look at that. Yep, it sure did. Great play.
So those
Great
so I,
play.
so I was
Great
like,
play.
because I be waiting on the breakout too, because I like it because of the continuance. But I was like, you know what? And I'm sorry, I'm driving back
No, I
from
hear you. I
Panera,
can hear. I
so
can hear
I
the
had to
signal
pick
light.
up some stuff. Okay, I had to pick up some stuff, but I was like, oh my gosh, I'm missing the call. But that's how I got in. So I always like to go over it with you. Really quick, I missed the announcement. You said it's something on your website that we're supposed to be doing or signing up for. I just
Not
want to
you.
be I want to make sure I'm okay.
Yeah, you're
Okay.
good.
All
Yeah,
right.
yeah, yeah. Not you. This
Okay.
is
I
for
just
going
wanted to
forward.
make sure. I was like, I don't want to miss nothing.
No, 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 no,
Okay.
no, 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 no. You're
Okay.
good. This is going
Okay.
forward for new people that
No
just
problem.
come in because we're so
Yep.
far ahead, and it's not fair to let people come over to the community and they're lost. It's not fair to me.
That's
It's not
true.
fair to you guys. So we're now
That's true.
we're putting in levels. So as you
Okay.
level up, then when they come over to if they even get an invite, and it's invite only, it's not a
Gotcha.
guarantee. You have to pass a
Yep.
test and then
I
another
understand
test.
perfectly. Yep.
Yes,
That makes perfect sense.
yes.
Yeah, that I'll just say that makes perfect sense. But I like to go over the plays sometimes when it's not out the orb because I do like when it break out
Oh, this was a
the orb
great
because
play.
those calls. But yeah, I saw it. I was looking and I was like, all right, it closed below. I got
Yep,
two candles underneath,
she did
and
it,
yeah.
and it crossed over, and it crossed over the
Mhm.
EMA and VWAP, two
Yep.
candles, and it
Yep.
closed beneath the yesterday's low. What would you pre-market low? Wait a minute.
Yeah. Yep.
Yesterday's high.
Correct. Yep.
So
Yep.
she
Yep.
had three signals for her to get in and get out. So
Yeah.
that was a sharp play for you. That was a great play. Great
Okay.
play. All
Thanks,
right, thank
Coach.
you. Thank you so much. I'm proud.
Yeah. Thanks, Coach. I
Okay,
always like to go.
bye. Okay, bye. All right, that was a fantastic play. And looking at it, guys, look, it gave us a double bottom. It gave us a perfect double bottom at the trend line. Oh, Lord. Look at there. Look at there. It tested, retested, bounced. Oh, my gosh. Yeah, that was a good play, too. But that's when you're a little bit more experienced. And I was not paying attention at that time. For sure, I wasn't. Okay, good. Got in and out. That was a great play. Did you all see it? Was it clear? What's the bottom of the 15-minute orb today? Let's see. 636.88. 636.88. And it looks like it tried to retest it. It did. It came back and retested and broke through it 3 times. Right in our face, y'all. Look, that's some. So right here, it came back and retested it again at 10:47 and then bounced. And now it's going back up. So look at that. Not only is it going back up, it's 2 candles above the EMA. Yeah, that's a beautiful move too. This is a beautiful move for calls to the upside. Now let me tell you, you all learned that the other day. It's like it's breaking back inside the orb. But it never fully broke through. It never fully broke through. So this is a no play day for Coach. For me. But looking at if I'm just sitting here staring at the charts, it gave us the double bottom. Then came back and retested it again for the 3rd time. Hit it right here. And then began to bounce and go sideways. Broke back above the EMA, and then it started going up. But yeah, it's just not good enough for me. You got 21% on that play? That's fantastic. And you was out at 9:48? Love it. Got in and got out, Caroline. Oh, I didn't write your name down. 10%. Yeah, you have to have them. Listen, if you don't see it, don't trade it. And everyone eyes sees something different. That's the key. Everyone eyes sees something different. I'm seeing a chop zone, okay? You know what I see? I see Christmas trees, personally. When I look over here, I don't see a break above or a break below. So I'm fine with not playing. I'm fine. But for all you could see it, the people who could see it, I'm proud of you. But don't rush your trades. And this is all practice. You are practicing. You are practicing with your 100 jelly beans. You do too, Susan? That's right. They better not play around on Beyonce's internet. Don't do it. Any other questions about the charts? Listen, it's okay to miss the plays, Crystal. Listen, you see, I'm the coach, and I'm like, oh, y'all saw that? Wow, that's good. You saw that? I didn't see it. You're going to have it double. I ain't worried about that, girl. We ain't even think about that. Everything you said to look forward to not trade was evident today. I know, right, LaShawn? You down to 15. So, okay. So, you know what? Sometimes you need to pull back. Crystal, I would pull back for a day or two, and then I would paper trade for 2 or 3 days, making sure I'm seeing what I know I see, and then I'll start fresh again. It's too easy to come back down from $10, or you can come. I told you about the lady that went all the way down to $12, because what happens? Once you take 2 or 3 L's, you're in your head. You're in your head. Good morning. Thank you. Good morning, blessed by Jay. Cat, pull back, baby. If you have to pull back for a day or two. Don't get in trades. Just look at the charts, take notes, then do your paper trade for another day or 2, and then start fresh. Yeah, so you took a $28 hit today, so that's 28%. That's way below. So the hits, and what happens when you see your position, this is why I preach getting out at negative 3.3%. Even if you get caught in a bad play, You can kind of exit before it hits 10% more, usually. It's okay. So King says she took, okay, you took L's too. Yes, make sure you're keeping up with your journal. Make sure you keep up how many days, like you took 5 trades, and out of 5 trades, you were down 4. And if you see that you are down out of 5 trades, if you're down 4 trades or 5 trades, then you definitely need to pull back. Not a lot. Pull back, call me, call Coach Trent. What am I doing? What am I looking at? What's off? You trying not to be Trent Jr. Please don't be Trent Jr. LaShawn. Oh, you want to know where it hasn't broken today, honey. The 50% orb has not broken today. That's why Coach didn't play today. This is the orb. This line right here. I don't feel like drawing it again, but it's going to be ugly on my chart because I'm doing this with my... Okay, we're waiting for the candles to break above this line or break below. They came down and wicked right here. They wicked, but we need the body. This is the body. It needs to be 50% below, okay? Yeah, Fletcher, I avoided that Martin beat up. I like A plus setups. That means I'm in it 30 seconds, 1 minute, and I'm out. Okay, so Crystal, out of 20 trading days, be honest, you know you do not have 10 losses. Y'all looking at the money instead of looking at the percentage and how many. If you have 20 trades and you have only 5 or 8 or 9 losses in 20 trades, that is still considered good. Don't pray, Deanna. Don't pray for the Deanna. Everybody, their mama have done that. I told y'all about that. I think I gave y'all too much sauce in the beginning. That y'all thought maybe I'm just sitting on Beyonce's internet telling stories. I told you y'all gonna feel all that. Don't ever hope and a pray and a wish it's gonna turn. Cut your losses quick. I'm not afraid of a 3% loss. That means I can still play another day and my psyche hasn't been affected. Y'all get it? When you stay in hoping and a praying, it's never gonna work. If you see that 3%, I'd rather you get out every day at a negative 3% and see that play turn around on you and go back up, because I know you can recover from 3, 6, 9, $10. That's only $10. You're down 5 plays, you're good, you can recover. You sure can't. You cannot pray. I've tried it. It don't work. I got mad with it. So I ain't studying. I'm just leaving. They were like, okay, I'm gonna take your money then. They took it. So yeah, it's natural. Okay. It's natural. Any other questions? It's a rough day. You can have rough days in the market. We're on our way to glory. If you're on your way to glory, you know it's not gonna be simple. That's what y'all had to pull me off the ledge when I was getting hacked last week. Okay, look, listen to this girl. 14 trading days, 6 losses. Now, what is that percentage? What is that percentage for my math people? Isn't that still like 80%, 75, 80%? I think it's 70%, right? So now you see how it puts everything into perspective? So Drea said, when you pray regarding the market, pray for patience and not greed. Don't let it overcome your mindset. Jesus said, how can I get in it? Road to greatness will always be tough and rugged. Yes. Oh, Chase, I was waiting on you. Sorry, Chase, I thought you put in your request. Hey, Kim. She got greedy. Okay, that happens. Hey, Kim.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, can y'all hear Kim?
So I have a question.
Sure.
Um, I was actually in the green today, and after having a couple of days where, I, wasn't successful, um, I'm still not happy about the fact that I was in the green because of everything that you all are saying about how it wasn't really clear breakouts. And the reason why I got in when I got in is because I did see several confluences, but it sounds like you're saying, if I'm hearing you correctly, that you're waiting on the orb and adding other confluences to that, when I thought waiting on the orb was just one of the confluences. And if it wasn't that one and you saw two or three other ones, then it was a good play.
Let me tell you something, honey. Whenever you get in that market and you come out positive, you got a good play. Don't overthink it. Everybody's not going to play the same. So I feel like maybe have given y'all too much information. Let me tell you, this is how we play. I came on the app teaching the 15-minute orb, period, point blank. If you want a clear play, A+ setup, where you don't have to worry and stress, you wait for the orb. Now, I then gave you guys certain days, because one day the orb was choppy. It didn't break above or below, right? So I said, well, let me give you confluences, because here are things that can help you enter a play before the orb breaks. So if my comfort level, Kim, is waiting for the orb, that's my comfort level. If your comfort level is, I'm going to do these confluences, do the confluences. You see what I'm saying? But just whatever you decide to do, when you hit that button, you have to be comfortable with it. It's not a right or wrong way.
Right. I understand
You
that
got
part.
47 people did not wait for the orb and came out successful.
I just want to make sure that I'm learning the correct way. So if that's an important, fact, then, I want to focus on that with my trading in the future, because I don't want to just be making trades and hoping it's going to work out for me.
No, you
So,
won't. You're doing good. You saw,
right.
how many confluences did you see?
Let me see. I saw 1, 2. Well, it crossed. I'm looking at 951. It crossed over the VMA.
Yeah, VWAP and EMA.
Yeah, it crossed, and it was when that one is two candles below. Well, one candle. That second.
You got in right
That,
here. You got in on the top of that.
yeah, it was. I got in like probably near the bottom of that, and then I got right out at
And
that long candle. So that's
that was
what
a
I'm
good
saying.
play.
But I just wanted to make sure that's not luck, because the next
No,
candle
it's
would
not
have been
luck. We don't play.
green.
Girl, no, it's not luck. No stress. Listen to me. I've never taught y'all. I've never said it's luck. You just saw
Right.
something that some people didn't see today. That's all. I didn't.
Yeah,
I was.
I just don't want to make,
Girl, no.
if it just happened to go in my favor. I
Oh,
know
look, I
that's a
did. You did what you did right. Remember you've been struggling with getting in too late.
right,
So listen, let
right.
me tell you about you.
Well,
The
well,
day you
that's
got
I
in
guess
right and
that's
got your money, you like, I feel bad, girl. You
right,
better
because
get
that's
your percentage.
now if you look at that whole run, which it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red candles, right? And my thing is, I kept saying I was waiting too late. I was waiting too late.
No,
I
you
waiting too late.
didn't. No. This was perfect. It crossed over right here. That next candle, bam, was red. Soon as that sucker closed out, you got in right here. That's how Sandrika did the same thing. A couple of people got the same play. Had I seen it, I would have got it, but I was distracted.
Okay. I just
This was
wanted
a
to make
great
sure I'm
play.
following what you're teaching me. So in the future, I want to follow,
No, you're
my
good.
teaching and make sure I'm learning the right way.
Listen, I've taught you guys a few things, and so what happens and because you have, because remember I said I'm giving y'all everything I can tell you how to
Yeah.
trade, but you may not use it all in one day.
Yeah,
Some
I
days
got you.
it's like today I'm doing the orb, and let me tell you why. When I came over here, I said, "Oh, it broke out red." I said, "Oh, it started flying." I said, "Oh, I missed it." Then it went up, and I said, "Okay, I'm waiting two candles above the EMA." Did not come. I said, "You know what? I'm waiting on the orb." Soon as the first 7 minutes did that to me, first 10 minutes, 7 minutes. No, that was like 15. Yeah, first 15 minutes. I was like, "Oh no, I'm doing the orb for me." But by then, girl, I had like 12 people already sending me their plays. I was like, oh, well, they saw something I didn't see. That's fine because some people got in and saw the double bottom and got in a call. This is a double bottom right here. Look at this W.
Yeah.
I didn't see that. Some folks, but those are all tools I gave you. So some days you're going to be heavy on your confluences because it's choppy. To me, this was a great day to rely on your confluences because it's choppy. I just chose not to play choppy. I wait for, let me let the order break out.
Right.
You saw
Right.
Sharon? Sharon played off the 5 minute chart in the pre-market and jumped in. I was like, whoa, okay, that was smart because she knew confluences. She knew the engulfing, the crossover. So that was actually a great play that you did today. So yeah, you wanted y'all wanted a few. Y'all got us today. We didn't see it. So you
But
did good,
yeah,
girl.
but thank you. I just want to make sure I see clear plays in the future because I know that everything's not exact.
Oh no, you saw that very clearly. You saw,
Yes.
and some days you may just see the orb, like, oh, the orb broke out. Some days you're just gonna see V1 EMA, two candles above the EMA, and you just ride that one candle and get your 5%. Some days you're gonna see, but to me, this is just too choppy for me. But that was a good play.
All right. Thank you.
I'm proud of you, girl. Way to bounce back. Way to bounce back. Good job.
Thank you.
Okay, bye. She did good. Okay, come on, Chase. Chase, can you hear us?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
What's going on? What's going on with
Good to
everybody?
hear from you. Good to hear from you. This is our cousin, big cuz Chase. What's going on
Um,
today?
Getting money,
I love it.
but the piggyback on the young lady that just spoke, just to give her more confirmation, that was a great play.
It was.
You seen it correctly. That's the play I seen when I seen we had a cross right there. That next counter was below the EMA.
Yep.
Waiting for that second counter. Second counter, when it came out the gate form red, I
Yep.
jumped in and did it, and wrote it down to 7%
Yep.
before this last counter formed all the way closed out. I was out of it with 7.15
Yep.
percent
By
with
what, 9:49?
$14.
What, by 9:49?
I was in at 8.52, out at 8.53.
1 minute. Listen here. Do you see what I'm saying? You don't have to be in it all day. When somebody was saying, "Oh, the other candle turned green," we not worried about the other candle. We in
Right.
this play getting that money in 1 minute 30 seconds, getting our jelly beans. 1 minute 30 seconds, 2 minutes max, and we're done. That was an excellent play. Excellent get out. Did you have any problems getting out today?
No, ma'am. It order would fill with no problem.
Yep, because you know what? You got out while it was still going in your favor.
Hmm.
Is when if you would have waited here to get out, then that's when it would have been a problem. Good job. Excellent. And onward and upward. And just to let the people know, Chase is one of he's already doubled. Am I correct, Chase?
Yes, ma'am. Double.
He's doubled. We have I think it's about 20 people that are doubled before the end of their first 20 trading days. Some people trading first 20 days will end tomorrow, and some Friday, and some next Monday, but they've already doubled. So the strategy works. Chase, tell them.
It works. Hey, all you guys have to do is just make sure you listen to what she say. Don't try to get ahead. Just listen and follow the journal, and just have patience.
Yep. Agreed. Agreed. Thank you for that. I appreciate you so much. I'm proud of you.
Ain't no problem. See,
Got to a
no
coach Trent
problem.
too. Great job. Thanks. Have a good rest of your day. We on to we
You
on
too.
we on to August 2026. Okay, great. Wasn't that cool? Wasn't that great? Hey, Unique Life. Okay, great. We're at 70K. We have about 5 minutes left here. So this has been a good overview. Would you guys agree? If you have any other questions, let me know. I still have the chart up, but man, I missed that double. I missed that double bottom. I missed 3 plays. I'm not even gonna tell you the story, but I was distracted 100%. So I was looking too hard at first, and that happens. Oh, Deanne. Okay, Deanne, that's good. I'm glad you like the overview. I like it too. It helps us confirm if we're on the right track. If we had losses, we can recover and help each other out really quickly and not have to soak in it. If we have Frankie, you here today? There he is. I just asked about you. Yeah, I'll put it on there. I can put it on there. Yes, Jelly Bean grabbing day. I'm so proud of you. Today is August 11th, 2025. The current time is 11:34. I am Arletta, the one and only friendly trader, and I teach people how to trade online at no cost. First 30 days, you get in here, you learn all of this. These people have learned this strategy in a week, paper traded the next week, and they off to the races. Valencia, okay, so on that play, I know to enter a trade on an indecision. Don't enter a trade on an indecision candle. Good job, Sugar Sweets. You got 5%. Yep, I'll be here at 7:30 for the newbies. Hey, Daniel. Off to the riches. You was looking at 1 minute, got in and out, but got stuck trying to do what I think. Scared, don't be scared now. You can't let that $100 scare you. That's why we start with 100 jelly beans. Please don't let that break you down. Because that's going to show you more about who you are, not the market. Okay, good. I'm glad you didn't enter on that red indecision candle. Eastern Standard Time. Yes, 7:30 p.m. is for newbies. We start over today from scratch. So we will be going over terms today. Terms, and the platforms that we use. So trading terms and the platform, the brokerage accounts. Oh, you from DC? We got Detroit people in the house. Love it. We need to come to Detroit, but it's already getting cold there. Yeah, we might need to do spring in Detroit. I heard the food is good in Detroit, and they can do some hair. Y'all do some hair up there. Okay. All right. So let me make sure I don't have any more questions. Okay. All right, great. Okay. Got. We good. Okay, so no more questions. All right, bye, darling. We'll see you at 7:30. Anything else y'all want to talk about? Listen, tell me how y'all feel about the GM over there, the community over there. How y'all like it? Honest feedback. Thank you so much for the heart and the hug and all the good stuff. Thank you. Tell me how y'all like it over there. Yes, Letitia. Mm-hmm. You like it, Frankie? Okay. Y'all sure? Because some people been complaining. I was like, do I need to pull the plug? I know, right? Yep. Okay. Well, that's good. Well, you gonna be in it, Crystal? A lot of people saying they like it. Okay, everybody like it. All right. Oh, you have a question on Chase's play. What's your question? Valencia, come on so you can ask it. All right. Okay, Frankie, I got it. So Frankie, what I do need, I'm going to talk to you and possibly Crystal and Chase to see if you guys want to help moderate it over there. Just to keep everybody, I want to keep everybody in alignment with the 5% drip strategy that we teach. All right. And not get too far to the left. Oh, yeah, you got to turn notifications off, baby. Oh, Lord, yes. Want to make sure everybody, so people start trying to tell, I don't want the cousins to get confused by information that I'm not teaching. Because I'm not going to be responsible for that one. Okay, everybody like it. Do not disturb. Okay, cool. So it's here to stay then. So what we're talking about is a cousin community. It is invite only over there. It's no cost over there. But you have to pass a 3-day, take a 3-day challenge. Yeah, I'll be there at 7:30. Thanks. Yeah, Frankie, I know you guys are already over there. I'm so busy that once I post in the morning, I can't get back till probably in the evenings. I was able to go in a little bit while you guys were posting your plays, but then I'm off. Like I have a meeting in 20 minutes, and then I have another one at 2, and then the meeting at 4, you see? Then I have to try to make content, so help me out over there. We can keep it going. You send a request so you can join? Okay. I didn't send one to your phone, Valencia. All right. All right, I'll see you on YT. Charlie P, don't worry about it. You can go on YT and catch up on almost everything that I'm teaching. Yes, we are. Yes. Paper trading for the newbies. So basically what I'm doing, the first part of the live, I am going to teach the new people. And then the second part, we will do our paper trade. Paper trading. Yep. So we have Frankie, Chase, and Crystal from the Bronx Thank you guys. I appreciate you all doing it. It's no heavy. Y'all there anyway, but y'all keep it right. Y'all very positive people. Just a notepad, baby. Be ready to take notes. I'm at work in the bed. Bye. Yeah, that's right. Thank you, Kim. That's right. Okay. I'm excited for y'all. Lavetta, you never ask your question. Just call me. I saw your text. If we can knock it out in 10 minutes, or you can wait till 2 o'clock. If you can call me right after this live, we can knock it out. All right? I'm proud of y'all. I'm so happy. Y'all beat the coach today. Coach didn't do. I don't even think Coach Trent got into play. So yeah, y'all did good. But you must know I'm coming back at 1 o'clock to look for a breakout. 2 o'clock. I'm gonna keep my chart up just to see. All right, guys. Have a great day, everybody. Ooh, Valencia, it depends. My meeting is at 12. So if Lavetta takes more than 10 minutes, then I won't be able to catch you. But you can call me at 2. All right? So, no, you cannot, Chelsea. Nobody's trading after 1 o'clock unless you have a work schedule that permits you from being able. Okay, cool. So Valencia, yeah, she said it won't take long. So call me, I guess, in 10 minutes. All right. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Great job, great job, great job. And Dr. Nedra, we will, Dr. Nedra, I'm put unblock her. I got to find her. Okay. I appreciate it. I'm proud. Y'all make me so proud. See you later, okay? We did get up to 70. We ain't gonna fuss about that. That's pretty decent for a morning. All right, cousins. Holla at you. See you at 7:30. And for the OGs, see you in the morning. All right, bye.